we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around, right? Right! So first up, you're gonna wanna head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam, you've got a shiny new ride. All right, there's so many to collect, I just can't keep count. So buckle up and start your engines. This is gonna be one awesome ride. Hot Wheels incoming! New car on its way. A master of tricks and stunts. Choose the Bone Shaker if you've got a sense for flair. Get ready! You'll need 6 wheels to win this one. Newsflash! More challenges have appeared in the city, but you can also check out the Ultimate Garage or build your own epic tracks. Your choice. Here's your guest pass. With this, you can do 3 challenges every day. If you want more, check out the Ultimate Pass. Your next challenge has a toy. Challenge accepted. All right, same deal as the last time, but trickier, I guess. All right, curve time. This should be easy. Yeah, you got this! Swipe your finger left and right to steer. Red wheel coming up. Challenge cleared. Ooh, this is it. Oh, cool. The ramp. Yes. Time for crazy air stunts. But careful, what goes up always comes down.